Hello, good day. I'm Yinka Oko. Today, I want to present the various operators we have in R, or various operations that you can perform in R as biological scientists. This is just a build up on how we can analyze our data in R. Now, on my screen, you can see this greater than sign. You can see this greater than sign. Now, this greater than sign is a command prompt. It's a command prompt. It's asking you, what do you want me to do? I am waiting for your instruction. Tell me what you would have me do. Okay, I can tell it. Okay, R, I want you to help me equate that A equals to 2. Note that. Okay, so it has stored it in itself that yes, wherever I see A, it means 2. Remember when we were in our mathematics, arithmetic classes those days, say that x equals to y plus z. Z equals to 3 minus b. Find y. Find this. That's a variable we are assigning. However, the convention in R for assignment is less than with a dash, not equals to. Yes, we can use equal to, but the convention is less than with a dash. That is, writing letter A less than dash 2. This is how we assign 2 to that variable A. Okay, let me say B is what? Let's say it's 3. Let me say C is what? C, let's say C is 5. Okay, we can perform various operations, mathematical operations in R. How do we do that? Let's say, for example, we say our Z is A plus B, A plus B plus C. It has stored it as it has stored A plus B, the result of A plus B plus C into Z. When I now say, okay, give me Z, I just type Z and hit enter. It said it's 10. And you agree with me that 2 plus 3 plus 5 equals to 10. Let's look at it. 2 plus 3 plus 5 equals to 10. And that is it. Okay. For multiplication, we can say that x is A. This asterisk is what we use for multiplication. A asterisk B. So what is our x then? 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Let's say that y is A raised to the power. To type your power, use that ampersand value symbol. That is say y. Now what is y? That is 2 raised to power 3 is 8. That is 2 times 2 times 2. Same thing as saying A times A times A. You can see it. For division, how do we do division? We do the forward slash. Forward slash. Let's look at it. Let's say we have 2 times 5 is 10. Let's say we have 2 times, let's put it in brackets, for example, that is A, which is 2, times what's 5? 5 is C. Definitely we know that answer is 10. Divide by C, which divide by B, which is 3. So divide by B, giving us 3.333. That is 10 divided by 3, giving us that. So that's how we perform mathematical operation in our R Studio. Well, I think we've covered everything. You've seen addition, you've seen multiplication, you've seen division. What about subtraction? Let's just say you can say that C minus A equals 3. That is 5 minus 2. The same thing as saying 5 minus 2. That's how we perform mathematical operation. Now, there are some other operations that will give us a Boolean value. Is it true? Is it false? Example is equals to equals to. Let's see, for example, say A equals to B. We are asking, is A the same thing with B? What this expression is asking. It says false. And you agree with me that 2 is not equals to 3. But look at it. Let's say A plus B. Let's put them together. So maybe that can help you understand it. Equals to C. Let's see, what will be the... It's true. 2 plus 3 is 5. And remember that 5, C equals to 5. So 5 equals to 5. You see it? Okay, what about greater than? Yes. We want to see, is 5 greater than 3? It's true. Is 5 less than 3? Is false. So is C less than A? Is false. That is it. Now, less than or equals to. You use, okay, is 5 greater than or equals to 3? That's true. 5 is greater than 3. That is why it is true. It is equal to or. So the only way it can be false is if 5 is less than that. Okay, let's say now, is 5 less than or equals to 3? It's false. 5 is not less than. So these are some of the operations that you will see in R or an R Studio. By and by, we'll be using some of all these later for some, for some condition. Give me this, give me that. If this equals to this, give that. We'll be using them. So thank you for your time, and I see you in the next video. God bless you. Have a nice time.